6 AI marketing automation. These tools streamline your entire marketing strategy, automatically scheduling posts, targeting ads, and even sending emails at the perfect time. Let AI handle your marketing while you enjoy the results. All right, so here are 2 AI marketing automation specific jobs. First, there's the AI marketing strategist. This role focuses on creating and implementing AI-driven marketing campaigns. And then there's the AI data analyst. This job involves analyzing data to optimize marketing strategies. Offer AI marketing automation services for small to medium businesses, including automating email campaigns, social media scheduling, and ad targeting. Charge $2,000 to $8,000 per month per client for automated marketing services, potentially making $60,000 to $200,000 or more per year. Scale a marketing agency using AI to handle multiple clients without needing a large team. Agencies using AI automation can scale to $100,000 to $500,000 or more annually, depending on the number of clients and services offered.